Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This debate pits two artificial intelligences against each other, one championing the technological breakthrough of Tesla, the other championing classic auto giants like BMW, Mercedes, and Toyota. Today we'll delve into the most fascinating debate of our time. You'll hear assertions, rebuttals, and much more. Each answer will be scored by 5 AI systems, ranging from 1 to 100. The winner will be the one with the most points at the end. And so the debate begins. Round 1, Software and Autonomy.
We are a software company on wheels. Our FSD, full self-driving, computer processes billions of frames from millions of cars. While legacy makers rely on slow third-party suppliers, we build our own AI chips. Your car is a static machine. A Tesla is a living, learning organism that gets better via over-the-air updates.
Real autonomy requires safety, not beta testing on public roads. We use LiDAR and redundant systems that Tesla abandoned to save costs. Our software doesn't phantom brake. We provide a stable, predictable interface. We don't sell promises of next year, we deliver certified Level 3 autonomy today, backed by a century of engineering.
Round 2, Luxury and Build Quality.
Legacy manufacturing is an anchor. Our GigaPress replaces hundreds of parts with a single casting, making the car safer and cheaper. You obsess over leather. We obsess over the physics of the frame. Our interior is a clean slate for the digital age. People don't want a 19th century library. They want a 21st century cockpit.
We've spent 100 years perfecting the gap between panels. Our interiors are sanctuaries of Napa leather and real wood. Tesla's minimalism is just a cover for cheap manufacturing. When you buy a Mercedes or a Lexus, you buy a masterpiece, not a rattletrap with misaligned doors and thin paint. Quality is not an app, it's a feeling.
Round 3, the Charging Infrastructure.
We built the gas stations of the future while you were still debating fuel injection. The supercharger network is our greatest moat. It's seamless. Plug in, charge, walk away. No broken third-party apps, no credit card errors. To own a non-Tesla EV is to live in charging anxiety. To own a Tesla is to own freedom.
The world is bigger than Tesla's walled garden. We are partnering with national grids to create a universal standard. Why should a car dictate where you can fuel? Our cars support ultra-fast 800V architecture that leaves Tesla's 400V tech in the dust. We don't want a monopoly, we want a global infrastructure for everyone.
Round 4, the EV race and market share.
Market share is a vanity metric. Profitability and AI are the real targets. We asked the aging Model S and X to focus on the cyber cab and mass market robotics. Our margins remain the envy of the industry. While you celebrate selling millions of low-margin hybrids, we are building the world's largest AI inference fleet. Tesla isn't just selling cars. We are selling the future of transport as a service.
The Tesla monopoly is officially over. In 2025, BYD snatched the global EV crown, delivering 2.26 million BEVs while Tesla slid to 1.65 million. We aren't just pivoting, we are taking over. BMW and Volkswagen now lead in Europe. We offer variety estates, luxury SUVs, and affordable city cars, while Tesla's lineup is aging and shrinking. The first mover advantage has expired, the era of global choice is here.
Round 5, Battery Breakthrough.
Prototypes are easy. Production is hard. Toyota has been promising solid state for a decade. Meanwhile, Tesla's vertical integration, from lithium refining to cell assembly, is operational today. We don't wait for miracle batteries. We optimize the physics of what works now. Our efficiency per watt is still 20% higher than any legacy competitor. We ship. You present PowerPoints.
While Tesla talks about dry electrodes, Toyota has officially moved solid-state batteries from the lab to mass production in 2026. 1,000 kilometers range. 10-minute charging. No fire risk. We solved the range anxiety puzzle forever. Tesla is stuck with liquid electrolytes and old 4680 tech. We didn't just catch up, we leaped over you into the next decade of energy density.
Round 6, Robotaxi and FSD-13.
February 2026. The first cybercab rolled off Giga, Texas. FSD-13 is now operating unsupervised in dozens of US cities. We turned your drive to work into work while the car drives. We are launching a global ride-hailing network that will make car ownership obsolete. You make steering wheels, we make them disappear. This is the end of the human driver era.
Regulation and safety are not disruptible. While Tesla fights lawsuits over unsupervised FSD, Mercedes-Benz is the first to get Level 4 approval for public use in Europe. We build trust through redundancy and liability. If our car crashes, we take responsibility. Tesla's Cybercab is a niche luxury gadget for Austin. Our autonomous shuttles are already integrating with city transit systems globally.
Round 7, the RE and robotics frontier.
March 2026. The Terafab in Austin is now producing 1 terawatt of AI compute per year. We are not a car company. We are an AI powerhouse. Our Optimus robots are already working on our assembly lines, and FSD-13 has just been approved for Europe. While you struggle with infotainment, we are building the labor force and the brains of the future. Betting against Tesla is betting against the evolution of intelligence itself.
We prefer practical AI over science fiction. Our AI improves fuel efficiency, safety, and manufacturing precision today. We don't need a humanoid robot to build a car, we have the world's most efficient automated factories. While Tesla chases Mars and robots, we are focused on the 8 billion people on Earth who need affordable, high-quality mobility. We are the foundation of human movement, you are a speculative tech bubble.
The AI has delivered its verdict, and the winner is Tesla, but only by a razor thin. The machines love the software, but they respect the legacy. Now, it's your turn to be the judge. Does Tesla's Silicon Valley spirit truly beat 100 years of German and Japanese engineering? Or is the AI missing the soul of a real car? If you're Team Tesla, drop a high voltage in the comments. If you're Team Legacy, drop a racing car. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more AI battles, and hit that subscribe button to join our tech-obsessed community. We'll see you in the next simulation.